Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So take a quick look here again at SwftCoin. I got this request from one of my community members. I believe they actually received an email about it. So I figured I'd cover it. We talked about this previously. We got this nice descending trend, potential breakthrough of that lower high, lower low pattern. So this could be the bottom. We're going to see kind of where we're at here. It's a little premature to jump in, I feel, but once again, just depends on where you're at. Let's see if, I don't know if we have... Yeah, we don't have any liquidation data here on High Block Capital, so we're going to have to kind of forego that. But I do want to say thank you again so much for watching. Hope you can learn something here today, and if you do want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site link down below. We've actually got quite a few community members in our group that came over from SwftCoin. So again, definitely appreciate you, supporting all that. Congrats to our newer community members here. We got some nice profit here from Bitcoin, 33% in roughly 2 trading days, OP 44% in 1 day. And check this out, under 1 hour, 36% from HBAR. We still have additional profit targets to achieve with that, guys. So awesome stuff. We've also got some open limit orders with Bake, which we just barely got filled. And what is it, Matic? So we got some long positions open here. Curious if SwftCoin is going to be one of those. So let's talk about the daily first, work our way down. Pretty straightforward, just make it simple. We're still below this descending trend line. Okay, now this isn't like an exact science here, but generally speaking, the trend lines run concurrent for the most part with the 50 and or 20-day ascent moving average. Specific 50 on the 4 hour, but more so 20 on the daily. So getting above the 20-day SMA, this green line here, is extremely important. So with us being below that 0.236 fib level at about we're just gonna say what? 0.005 is a round number, even though it's 0.0049. We can see that we're still below that level, so that's somewhat of a resistance. We're holding above the 100-day SMA though, that's a positive sign. We can see RSI and money flow index kind of increasing, stochastic swinging up, MACD trying to converge. There's not a lot of signs here letting us know this is like a truly bullish situation. Okay, it's going to take a while before we're there. But leading into it, just know previous resistance turned support, turned resistance here to about that 0.0049 level as a close approximate is an area we want to pay attention to. Between now and then, do we take a trade? Well, 4 hour time frame does look pretty decent. We're over 50 in the RSI, money flow index right there with it, stochastic swinging up, and of course MACD converging. So those are very positive contributing factors that we like to look for when we're taking a trade. However, we're still under the 50, the 100 and the 200-day SMA. Okay, so again, not really a full-on bullish scenario here like most coins are exuding right now on the 4 hour. Okay, so again, this is good, definitely good, positive stuff here, but it's not great. Okay, let's keep it simple. We got this volume profile right here, a lot of volume at about 0.0048. So again, that kind of reaffirms that resistance level. Until we can get close soundly at about, just say 0.005 or higher, I don't think it's not really worth taking a trade because we're still going to get rejected out by this most recent low. Okay, that's going to work as a new resistance for us, so we got to get through that level first. Hourly is probably going to look pretty bullish here. All green lights here. So what this basically means is if you're like day trading or you're holding on to this position, you got in at 0.0042 or 43, then you'd be in pretty decent profit and you want to adjust your stop loss higher. For the most part though, this is letting us know you have a lot of reasons to consider a long position right now on a smaller time frame. Basically just implying that if you're going to take a long right now, make sure you have some tight targets, low position size, low leverage, and just ensure that you're doing the best for your own risk tolerance. Don't just set it and forget it, okay? Or no, sorry, you can set it and forget it, but don't arbitrarily trade without a stop loss. Some people just set a profit target and don't even put a stop loss in there. It's crazy. You don't want to do that right now. The bottom could drop out of this coin at any moment, okay? But for now, showing some resilience, but we're not quite there yet, all right? Hopefully that makes sense. So again, clarify, make it simple, 0.005 or higher, a candlestick closure there on the daily is what I'd be looking for to give me some confirmation that it's worth taking a position, pending Bitcoin is still maintaining that 60 to 62,000 range, okay? All right, so we got there. Thank you so much. Do me a favor before you go. Comment below, like, subscribe, and follow, and or jump on over to Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Highly recommend them. Link down below for some awesome rewards. If you use my link to register, you get healthy benefit rewards, about $5,500 in USDT, and mainly use them because there's no KYC or VPN required for our US and Canadian members. So thanks again, Bitunix. Thank you too. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a good one. Take care.